Hey guys, it's Erin from 98.5 WNUW, and I'm just here to show you how to keep our studio clean and us healthy so we can continue using it amidst COVID-19. Right here we have our cleaning supplies, which include alcohol wipes, hand sanitizers, and microphone covers. So for the alcohol wipes, make sure you wipe everything down right before you start your show, and then again at the end of the show before you leave, including the board, the keyboard, the mouse, the mic arm, and the door handle. Anything else that you touch, just be sure to wipe it down. Then we have hand sanitizer, which we recommend using before you start your show after wiping everything down. Then it's free to use whenever. And for microphone covers, please do not speak into the microphone unless you have a cover on it. Here's a demonstration on how to use them. So when you move the mic forward and you go to put the cover on, just make sure the full front where you're talking of the mic is covered. So for the alcohol wipes, you want to wipe down the board very gently, because if you accidentally hit a button, that could change either the song playing or one of the channels. So you want to wipe down all the buttons you've touched, mostly like right here in case you use them. There is a play next button here, so you want to be careful with that. Your fader for the mic, and then anything else you have touched. For these ones, you're not supposed to really touch them, but if you end up touching one as you're cleaning and one accidentally changes, tell Sean as soon as you can, because he needs to get that fixed. Be sure to wipe down the keyboard and the mouse, as you will need them both to search for songs. Make sure you take the microphone cover off the microphone. Also wipe down the table and then the microphone arm, and I would put it back to where it was before. As you're leaving, please make sure to dispose of the microphone cover and the wipes properly. Also be sure to wipe down the doorknob on your way out. We're very excited to have you back here at 98.5 WNUW.